Hello, my name is Garrett, and I'm the Automotive Guru. Mercedes-Benz offers two different types of key fobs for the Mercedes-Benz lineup, and today we'll be discussing how to actually change the key battery itself. So let's get started. Okay, so there are two separate types of keys. We're going to start off with this one on the left and basically show you how to disassemble this one and replace the battery. So we'll flip it around to where we see right here. We're going to pull this little area right here towards me and pull up on the key itself while we do this. And you'll see, now you have a physical key and then the key that actually starts the vehicle. Next, what we'll do is we will put this portion of the key into here, but a little bit differently. Instead of putting it where the key actually slips in, you're gonna put it into this area right here. And you're just gonna press down on it, just like so. And when you do that, the cover will pop off, and now you can take out the battery by going like this. Battery is now out, and you can replace it. So we'll put it back in with negative side going down, so it would be just like so. We put half of it in this side first, push down. Now it is in. We grab the cover plate. We start by putting this end in first, just like so, and then you just snap it down, just like that. Then you take the key itself, and you put it back into the hole like so, and then press down. Now it's firmly secured back in. And that's how you replace the key battery on this one. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the second style of key. We're gonna flip it around and locate the little rectangle area and press down on it. And then we're gonna pull the physical key out itself. After we have done this, I usually like to turn it around like so, press down on that button and push forward on it. Then you'll see it release. So the cover plate is now disassembled from the key fob itself. And we will locate the area right here. And you'll see it actually has like a little notch right there. You put your fingernail in there and then you physically just pull it out, and there is the battery. In order to take the battery out, you just grab one portion of it and just pull out. To put it back in, the positive side goes down like so. And when we're going to replace it, we want to make sure that this portion is facing up. Locate the key and put it in just like so. You're going to seat it all the way in until it won't go any farther. After we are done with that, we will grab the cover plate itself. We will slightly put it in just like so, so not all the way in. You'll kind of feel where it rests. Then press the button and give it a good push. And just like that, the cover plate is now on. Now we will grab the physical key, press down on this button, and secure the key. And that is how you replace each style of key battery in the Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for watching to the end. Big shout out to all the new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. If you learned something in this video, click the like button and comment down below if you have any questions.